Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Web3 Wallet by Sons of Crypto. I do want to say that we are not financial advisors here on the channel. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, as always, all the links are going to be down below in the description. We're going to take a look at their roadmap, at their white paper, at the token that will be coming out soon, and of course their website. So if you have any questions regarding the project, let us know down below in the comment section. We will be sure to answer as soon as we can. So Web3 Wallet is going to be a decentralized wallet, a permissionless way for people to trade crypto. For example, there are a lot of decentralized, so to speak, wallets right now that are not permissionless. For example, we have MetaMask. Now, MetaMask is known to be a shady wallet, and they are actually restricting access to several countries under sanctions, which really defeats the whole purpose of crypto. It is supposed to be permissionless. You're supposed to be detached from the government, from the financial banking systems, and so on. So this really defeats the purpose, and they are trying to fix that issue. Now, on top of that, they're building, obviously, the Web3 wallet, the Web3 SDK, which is an open source SDK that covers all the boilerplate stuff that is needed to develop Web3 apps on iOS, Android, and web. And they are developing more Web3 apps, such as Web3 messaging and Web3 social platforms. Now, we are going to get a little preview of their platform, but jumping into the website, it looks very nice. I do like this neon Miami 80s touch. And here they have the information regarding the Web3 SDK, the Web3 wallet, and the Web3 apps. And you can just pause the video or go to the website and read through all of this. We're not going to read everything because it's going to take a long time. Scrolling down the website, we can see the roadmap, which is always a great thing to see on any project's website, because companies who do not have roadmaps, it just shows that they don't have a vision, they don't have a plan that they're going to be following. And that is not the case with Web3 Wallet here. Sons of Crypto have a great roadmap here until Q4 of this year. So in Q3, they are going to be in phase 2, in the exceptional phase, and they have additional Web3 browser extensions, layer 1, layer 2 support, fiat on-ramp support, and large directory of popular Web3 dApps interacting with smart contracts natively in applications. For phase 3 here in Q4, they're going to be reimagining most important Web2 services for Web3, Web3 Messenger, Web3 social media, Web3 everything basically. So the majority of people are using their mobile, and Web3 isn't really built for mobile, and they're trying to build it for mobile so that people and your average folk can use Web3 applications on their phones without any difficulties whatsoever. For example, it's going to be as easy as Twitter, and that's when the mass adoption will really kick in. And that is one of the issues that they are solving on top of the decentralized wallets issue. Then they want this project to be the embodiment of crypto ideals. No pre-sale, no preferential treatment for anyone, no VCs, no dump on retail. They're going to have a fair launch. It will be actually decentralized and user-owned. It's not going to be raised by any amount of capital. Team only gets to retire on the beach if product is phenomenally successful. So usually the team gets a huge chunk of the tokens, and this is not going to be the way this is going to work. Basically, all the token holders will be receiving all the fees from the trades, which in fact MetaMask has made $200 million last year from the fees. Now imagine if all of that money went to the token holders. Now, they are going to have an IDO, and there is no way to participate in this. However, you can get one of their NFTs, and that will get you. That's the only way really to invest in the project as of now. Now, their revenue sources are the white label service, chain integration grants, DeFi integration grants, and yield from the fees. Moving down through the website, really everything here is explained very, very well. And one thing that I do want to mention that may be a red flag to some people, but it really isn't in every case. Now, I'm talking about their team, and they are going to be anonymous. So they are not sharing their identities, and I do understand that because if you're building something that is going to make people want to jump from the centralized applications to decentralized applications, and if you're going to be making them jumping from MetaMask to Web3 wallet, then you're really putting yourself out there as a target. And I do understand the reason why they're not showing their faces. And this video will be linked down below as well. This shows you a preview of the application. It looks very solid, looks very good. By the way, this is how one of the team members actually looks in real life. It's crazy, I know. But on the left side here, you can see how the application is going to run. It looks very smooth. And yeah, as you can see, it's really good. So, and I think they do have a video on top of their website over here. So let's go and check that out. So here's just a little video explaining their project and the idea behind their wallet. And it's really everything that we talked about previously, but just with a video that explains it obviously better than I could ever. And it shows the application once again. As you can see, it's really easy. And they said that they take pride in creating a great application. So they want it to look smooth, they want it to look good, and they want people to enjoy using the application. And if we scroll a little bit lower as well, you can get some information on the team members. Here are their team members, and we can move over to their Twitter account right now. And you can also join them in the Telegram chats and on Discord. They are available on all of the major social media platforms. And if we go to Twitter over here, they do have 1,110 followers. Make sure to follow them. They are staying very active on Twitter, which is always good to see. It means that the team actually cares about the project and they are pushing for marketing. So a lot of the devs that are working on this application right now or on these applications have previously worked on some of the most popular wallets in the crypto ecosystem. Some of them have worked at Facebook, I believe. And yeah, so all the links are going to be down below in the description. If this actually works out, and hopefully this does, this will be a big game changer. And I do think this will be something that is talking about the token. If they have a successful IDO launch, which hopefully they will, this could really go to the moon, no pun intended, in the next bull cycle. So right now, all the good projects are building, all the good projects are innovating, and those that do will succeed in the bull market. A lot of crappy projects are going to die out. So yeah, they do have a long way to go from here, but hopefully everything works out. If we jump into their white paper real quick, you can read about everything. Really detailed overview of their ideas, of their application, revenue streams, tokenomics here, IDO 10% for yield farm rewards over 6 months. Various marketing incentives and reward schemes, 10%, 50% announced at a later date, and 20% held by the team. So as you can see, 20% held by the team isn't that big of a number. Some teams hold 35, 40% of the tokens, and that's just, I think that's too much. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. Like I said, all the links are going to be down below in the description. Stay tuned for their IDO. Check out their NFTs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.